Hello everyone, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this video, we are going to learn another possible Informatica issue with resolution. We might be getting this kind of issues in the real-time project as well as while practicing it. If the target is a table, we might be getting this error. Table or view does not exist. Consider this particular workflow. This particular workflow will read the data from a source table and it will try to load the data to a target table. I'm just starting the workflow. It will open the monitor and it got failed. So you might be facing this particular error in your project. The very initial stage. So here the error is while writing the data, we are getting the error. If you see the source and target statistics, Informatica, it was reading the data from the source successfully, but while writing the data to target, we are getting the error. You can check the statistics and you can find where is the error. You can see here the error is writer thread ORA and the target is Oracle table. And while loading the data, we are getting table or view does not exist. It's a very simple error only. It might be due to two different reasons. One is the table, exactly whatever we are using, the table is not available here. If you see this, you can open it, go to mapping, the target table. Here the target table is T underscore employees. You can check here whether we are hard coding the value. We are hard coding the table. We do not have any target table. So this is the target table, T underscore employees. This T underscore employees table might not be available in the targets. First reason, this T underscore employees table might not be available. So you can check it whether this table is available or not first. So we can open the target table. So here target is Oracle. So just I'm connecting to the target. So you can check it here. So just you can check it, select star from the table name, the target connection. Yes, we are the table. So that means we are the table in the target. Then what could be the issue? Only the thing is the connection. So check whether we are pointing to the correct database. Go to session, the mapping, target. So you check here, this is the target table. It is pointing to the source connection, right? So if you open this source connection, it is pointing to this particular user, HR user. But we have created this table is available in core user. So that means this is what we are making like a target. So whichever the target connection we are making, just correctly point to the target connection. So here it should be pointed to the target connection. So check whether source is pointing to source connection, target is pointing to target connection. Apply, click on OK, save, and then click on start or flow. So now you check it, got succeeded. Informatica successfully loaded all the data to a target table. So this is what. So this is what you have to check it and you have to resolve the issues. Thanks for watching. In our next session, I will come up with another issue. Thank you.